Here inside of Siimple, it's really easy to create a new site. All you have to do is choose a theme, and you'll see our 3 main templates here that you can choose from. Don't worry, you can change this later at any time without affecting your content. Just pick the one that you like the best or that you think is the best for your content. We're going to go with cards, which is a great theme for service professionals. Now we'll name our website. This one will be for a business coach. Elevate Coaching. Next, you'll write a short description, and this will be used in the meta tags and anytime you share your URL somewhere. And now your site is going to load up with demo content, and all you have to do is start clicking on the sections to customize. At the top, you'll see the Design tab, and this is for the global design settings. So if you want to upload your logo or change the color palette, you can do that here very easily. You can choose from a number of light color palettes or even dark color palettes. Your accent color changes many elements throughout the website, including the buttons and icons and other unique graphic elements. So this is perfect for adding your brand color if you have one. You can also change the fonts, and these font pairings have been pre-selected to be very accessible and look great across any device. And you can go for bold and modern or more traditional. You can change the corner radiuses of the boxes to be a little softer and friendly or a little more sharp and serious. You can also choose a solid button or an outline button. And you can make your buttons squared or fully rounded. Now on to the content. If you hover over any section, you'll see the blue outline appear with the Edit Section button. Click on that to make changes to that specific section. Here, you'll first see a layout, and this gives you a few different options to change the specific configuration of that section of your site. So for example, on cards, you can use a split layout that uses our cute little card graphic, or you can use the default full hero. I'll add in a description here, and then you can change the images using a stock photo that you can browse here, or you can upload your own. You can change your accent color at any time to match your images if you'd like to tie everything together. And then each section has its own controls to add in your content, or duplicate them if you need to. You can also replace these icons by searching through thousands of options, or use an image. There are many sections available for you to fill in, and it's just as easy as clicking and adding in your content. There are even smart features like logos that come in automatically when you paste in a URL to your social media networks, and a contact form built in so visitors can always reach you directly. If you need to remove sections, add or reorder them, just click on the Sections tab at the top, and then you can drag and drop these or delete or add them as you need. You can also view your site on mobile devices with the icon in the top right, and you'll see that everything is perfectly aligned for mobile viewing. And that's it. It's that easy to create your first site on Siimple.